At Sony, we're involved in a variety of environmental conservation activities. Let's learn about some of our initiatives towards environmentally conscious packaging. Sony is working hard to significantly reduce the amount of plastics used in the packaging of our headphones. We are changing the outer packaging of our existing headphones from plastic to paper. In particular, the outer packaging of our wired in-ear headphones has been redesigned to reduce total plastic usage from approximately 96% to less than 5%. Sony continues to use less plastics to promote easier recycling. The plastic lamination previously used on cartons has been replaced with abrasion-resistant varnish that allows paper-based cartons to be more easily recycled. Sustainability was one of the product design cues for Sony's truly wireless headphones. We achieved the first major reduction in plastic packaging in the WF-1000X Mark IV by replacing the polythene bag and blister tray with paper. This marked the first use of paper tray in the headphone series. The EVA foam and insulating sheet has also been replaced with paper, making them Sony's first product with 100% plastic-free packaging. Sony's innovative blended paper packaging is designed for sustainability from production to recycling. This original blended material is made from bamboo, sugarcane fibers, and post-consumer recycled paper. Everything but the label of the WF-1000X Mark IV and the entire product box of the WH-1000X Mark V is made using this material. Sony's original blended material is sustainable for a diverse range of product packaging and has less of an impact on the environment than virgin plastics. In cameras, we've replaced plastics with plant-based non-woven bags to wrap our products while maintaining protective and high cushion properties. Our Green Management 2025 targets to reduce plastic from the packaging of newly designed small products by 2025. With each new design, we are expanding our use of sustainable packaging material and striving towards hitting a zero environmental footprint. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'm Geoff with Sony. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.